My pool sign, which is something you've got to have for compliance reasons, is starting to get a bit old, so I need to replace it. So what I've got is some corrugated plastic, and that's called Kerflute. So I'm going to stick the sign to that. So I've got some old construction adhesive, not sure if it's out of date, but we'll give that one a try. So let's first see if this one's any good, so I'll just cut that off at an angle. Okay, I guess that one's still okay. So let's just give this Kerflute a wipe down so that the adhesive isn't going to stick to any dust. And then we'll do the same with the sign. Let's mark where I need to cut this. So let's cut this. It's quite good at Kerflute, it's quite simple to cut with a knife. Okay, let's get some construction adhesive down on this. So I'm just trying to spread out this adhesive as much as possible. Trim that bit off later. Okay, and we'll let that dry. What would have been wise before is to cap it off. And just hope that doesn't glue it on. So I'm going to try putting these grommets in just to make it stronger for the cable ties to go through when I tie it up. Let's see if I can punch these through. Okay, just need to repeat that for the other 4. That's all 4 grommets done. Now just to trim off the excess. And I'll just repeat that for the other sides. So that's the sign trimmed, ready to go on the pool fence. Down with the old sign. So that one's just all brittle, falling to pieces. And there's so many pool regulations here in Queensland. Do you know that if I was to put this sign here just at the bottom, it would actually fail the pool inspection because someone can actually climb on top of this. So I'll just tighten these up a little bit. And cable ties down the bottom so it doesn't flap about in the wind. I'll just trim off the excess. So that's it all done. Cheerio.